Okay, good afternoon, everyone. This is Jeff Arcos. Today we are Wednesday, 7th of August 2019. Remind you, this one is not meant to be financial advice. This is only an education presentation. Please consider time and condition before you continue, and when you're receiving this recording. So we'll thank God for another day into my life and I pray His blessings to that in Jesus' name. Amen. All right, so let's start a quick review of what happened for those who may be interested to see the video. And so today at 12 o'clock, we did have the New Zealand with the official cash rate, 7th of August. So it seems like it did affect a lot for the decisions we make in the morning after midnight. Is very clear, nothing happened much. Okay, so we're jumping into the currencies, the Euro US on Monday. Tuesday, we got a trade. The market did come, stop me out, minus 14 pips. And today it is not the king on Wednesday, so just going to avoid a little bit for today and come back maybe when we're gonna have the ABC, which will be the first strategy. But let the index meter is telling us. Pound US Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So same thing maybe tonight that these ones will have some effect into the market on the pound US. And yeah, hasn't happened much there. So it's already 5 o'clock. I don't know. Um, it's very choppy, but with the euro going that strong, so maybe that's won't have much over there. Australia, US, we do have that pullback, but really, what the Aussie has done so far until now is that did have a bearish move because of the New Zealand. So there it is. So to um, the market, we did have. Why we didn't see into our chats this one? Is this the Australian US? Australian US, Australian US. It was short. This is here. That's a bit strange. Oh, no. What am I doing? This is Monday. Sorry, Tuesday and Wednesday. That's what it was. So that was a nice as well setup. The market has come down. Australia US is sort of was in a 22 scenario, getting stronger, but the US was 15, so that was a not clear signal. But today it just continue in his way down. New Zealand US, I guess that's a Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So that was uh, quite interesting because I was looking to go long in the midpoint. The market comes over here. Once the market goes, because it has to touch and goes up, but once the market closes below, then it start counting again another ABC, which it didn't over there, and the market just avoid that trade from there. But we have a signal, a sell signal over here. So that was a quite clear sort of kind of touching support resisting. The news it was there in the morning, so that actually kind of worked okay with the New Zealand US as the signal was there. So actually got triggered very nicely that one. And yes, so that's going quite okay. I hope so. And when we got it, and yeah, so the moment is flying with 83 pips, and this could be a quite long trip. Now I'm gonna break even, and let's see, and it's just that you look at over here and say how much is going to go this way. Maybe can put it there. Market's come back over here, has run out, so that could be a possible target. So I'm gonna try to target it, try to get any pullback to into place, and see what happened from there. Okay, so that's cool. U.S. Canadian. Monday, I was looking to go short, a bit aggressive because really I'm trading against the trend. So this is why I said it's important to actually half your lot size because that was, quite interesting, especially touching on the weekly high and traveling there. So the trade got triggered, and then the next day it just got into a very small loss. So today we're looking to go long as the market present us over there. Canadian is in the top. Oil can is coming down, so therefore it's giving us a good entry over there. And Canadian, yeah, so Canadian that's got triggered now at the moment. So therefore I just dip it a little bit more, and that's it. Leave it over there. This could be a quite nice trip, yeah, towards whatever the market wants to do. So we'll see from there. US Swiss Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Now that we have the comeback, and now I believe this is a good day to actually look for short. So if we're looking on the US Swiss, I don't have over there. No. So if I open up the US Swiss today, and I'm looking there. Uh, as you see here, for me, is a nice place to say. The US Swiss says look for long, but I want to go short from there and base it in that. But one of the things that actually is stopping me to trigger that is the dollar is going up. So that's one of the things that the dollar is going up, and that could be a bit sort of try to trade against it. So that was the dollar there. So I think it got triggered already. That's a perfect ABC. So if that is the true, while I'm looking, the US Canadian is going up, US yen and US Swiss is not really clear, plus gold. So if I want to be looking what gold is doing, um, well, gold, it got the target. So we got the target over there. So the target is hit, and now just waiting for that. So if this is true, um, US Swiss should go down from that moment, isn't it? So that's sometimes I like to. Now at the moment we see the dollar wants to go up and gold is going up, so this is going to be a contradiction through that. So for me, the best place to put it a trade over there, it will not be the midpoint because I don't see that. So but it will be the breakout point over there because of what is happening over there. So my stop is sort of kind of 40 pips. So I don't need that the huge stop loss, and that it is. Okay. So I wish that the US would be coming down, so then I would have confidence to say, yeah, that's now I can get the midpoint and should I gonna get triggered over there. But yeah, over there it will be a big brick wall to see whether the market is going or not. So that's the US Swiss. That's happening with the New Zealand as well, So I believe this is actually best days, and just get the EA and let it trade the EA from those moments. US yen Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday is coming back again. And at the moment for tomorrow, I guess, we're looking on the directions. So we will see that this is the strategy number one, which is the weekly candle close direction. I don't know where is at the moment the US yen. Um, all right, so that's what it is. So look where it's actually the US yen is performing at the moment. Has come down below, come over here, and that actually. Otherwise, it's just wait for tomorrow. It's another good way to look at it, or just to put the price over there. We know the yen is the most stronger pair in the weekly, so there's no other way that we can look over there. So so yeah, so if I look the US yen, so that's actually the review that I do normally at this time. You know, when I come in and look over there, so measure from there 40 pips. So just come over there, load the E8. I want to use in the breakout sell, and I want to just put it at 40 pips stop loss from there, and running from there. So that's really the job, that come back over there, look up again here, and I see that one there, and yep, I say no, that's quite good. Um, um, yeah, quite good scenario from there. So that's at the US yen. Then we have the Euro yen. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday it has come back. So that's a nice pullback. Um, so I don't know what Euro yen is doing at the moment. Where are you? Um, there we are. So yeah, look at again. So this is a nice levels. I know what I'm looking. This is the weekly over there. So looking from there to here, 40 pips again. So looks like to me okay. And that is that. So there it is. So I don't want to use the midpoint at this point of time because the day was positive. So happy to trade from there. So 40 pips. And then come over here, load the market, go for sell breakout, and I just put it at 40 pips scenario over there, and that's it. So tomorrow, like I said, we will see this trace. At the moment, there will be the pending there. Pound yen Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday is coming back again. So beautiful retracement, retracement, retracement. So when we look in the pound yen, what is done until now, there it is. So it's on the way, sort of quite down. It's going up. So 70 pips. So at least for entry. But again, it will be on the breakout sell. So that's how you need to know the difference when to do both, when not to do both. It's matter of the feeling over there. So that's a nice pullback to the 1,000 pip levels, and to date it has going down over there from the moment. Australian yen Monday, Tuesday to Wednesday, beautiful pullback as well. So when I'm looking the Aussie yen at this point of time, um, Dungeon tray. So yeah, so the Australian yen has come down. Now I can put it both here. So if I'm looking over there, so the move of today was good. So I can put it both in this one, and that could actually give me a good. So I'm looking to sell both. Um, and I forgot to see the pips value from there. So I just measure from here to there, 100 pips. So that's definitely the can move from there. So 100 pips and come back tomorrow with the Aussie yen. New Zealand yen, I guess this one was already into the trade of yesterday. No, I didn't have in this one, I think. Um, got the New Zealand US, but I didn't set up the New Zealand yen. Anyway, so we're looking there Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. New Zealand yen is over there. So if I look now, well, the news would be very scary as the market is placed over here, and that it is. So that's the news over there. So 100 pips again, and I'm trading the direction of that. So sell breakout, sell both. So hopefully it's gonna get the top of that one over there. So yeah, so that's there. See what happened. So if we get but it's a nice touch on the on that one there. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we got that beautiful sort of very heavy rejection there. So Canadian yen. All right, so that got triggered today on there, and I'm just gonna leave it over there. So that was always measured from here to there, and just put the stop loss from there. So if we live in the 1,000 pip level, so that's mean that could be. I was a bit concerning for that one there, but Canadian yen is a short, so that's what I normally do over there. Swiss yen, 1, 2, 3. This is another currency that maybe I will take it off from my list. Swiss, all the Swiss crosses, they are not really friendly to trade. But anyway, so it's a lot of pain over there. Got a sort of my break even. I'm really gonna try to avoid as much as I can. Europe, Australia is just pumping up with no issue. Euro Canadian the same. Monday, Tuesday we have a signal, but unfortunately, here I have the midpoint, so the market comes. So the market need to touch the line and go up. But if the market breaks below, and then it will not trade over there. So the main thing is it has to some kind, deep inside, come back over there and then. But when the market travels and for so many hours over there, Richard is not here. But yeah, I just missed that trade, so nothing I can do really. Euro New Zealand the same. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So today it could be a good setup. I don't know if I set today Euro New Zealand. No, I didn't set up today because it's just the moves are quite extraordinary at the moment. So Euro New Zealand, there, and yeah, look that today with the news, it just went quite crazy. So I did not have a single Euro New Zealand as well was right at the bottom of the list, and yeah, so that's where it is. So the pound Australia, that's we got a beautiful. That was on a Monday. Tuesday, nothing happened. Wednesday, no, this is the Wednesday. Sorry, I don't know what happened. I did mess up the chat. So that's Wednesday today, 7th of August. We got a buy set up over there. Let's see what happened over here. And don't know why I got long. Oh, I got the midpoint retracement. I don't know whether that was enough to trade or what, but yeah, I got miss out that one unfortunately. Sometimes, because if I look this one over here, and I wants to see the fractal, one fractal down, so that was aiming there. Maybe I could have used that one on the 30 minutes. And yeah, the 30 minutes normally will get it there. So and then the trade will trigger over there. So yeah, so that's a bit not a very very bad miss. But at the end of the day, lucky, we got right over here, and yeah, so I could not. I was aiming for the fit, but I should have changed to the time frame of the 1 hour. There would be a big difference, but that's happened. Pound Canadian Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Today we got a break about. So we got a lot of sort of kind of support, monthly low, and sort of kind of the trend line breakout. So I put it like a strike number 2. So and Pound Canadian, wow, it's no breaking. So now it's breaking from here. So I guess I have no other options to remove the midpoint and actually set up buy both. And yeah, just nothing I can do for that. But yeah, it didn't even come back to the midpoint through the whole. But look at it, if I would have set up the 30 minutes, and this is what the 30 minutes will get that one there. So definitely, I'll need to, once we have those days, we need to change it to the 30 minutes. Look how beautiful when they come back over here. So right over here would be, the tray, and that would be perfect over there. Never mind. So it's not that late. So that's good thing to come back this time to check it up. and that it is pound New Zealand. Monday, Tuesday, we looking to go short. Now, unfortunately, got triggered for that one, and I need to be the loss. I think it's 30 pips for that. But today, the pound New Zealand, it got trade over here, and again, look at that. What a miss looking for the pound New Zealand over there. And actually, I have no tray. Oh my goodness! So I didn't set up, even looking today, the beautiful over there. So I hope so any one of you got it because that was quite good. All right, so I said that's the currencies total. So the dollar Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Now we got a buy stop. Um, Comes to sort of kind of support. We'll see what happened today. Gold is Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So just just today has reached out the target through the session today, and yeah, so that's amazing target that it got. Oil Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, so it's break even going towards the target, and that was Canadian is weak, so that's why the Canadian could actually work at the moment. We have a beautiful move, so the Canadian crosses could work at this time. The Australian 200 come over there, got the trade, and out of the trade at the moment. S&P 500 got the target over there, and then the market comes back and it stopped me out with a small loss in that one there. The Dash got the trade and didn't set up anymore, so now market is coming back. Amazing how it came back and touch that line over there. UK 100 Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So now the market is right over there. So if it tonight is coming back, I think I can open now this one, UK 100, and because this was just that this is the one I need to move over here, and that's it. So they continue coming down. Maybe I'm a little bit ambitious more. Oh, that's only the line. I don't have target. So I need to put a target over there. So that's my target, that's the stop loss, and we'll see. So that's another good trade. Japanese hand 225, Monday, Tuesday got triggered, and Wednesday nothing has happened now there. I think I got a stop out from that. I know, just got another trade and got, I know that's only a line that I set up over there. So yeah, so that's cool. Bitcoin Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. That's a nice pullback at again to enter into Bitcoin Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with Ethereum. That's a nice ABC looking that one there. So the first pullback, it will be a quite good scenario Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. All right, we finished with that. Okay, so I only have Helen with me today, so it's 23 minutes, but I wants to review something that I might be a little bit scary for you. Are you okay with that, Helen? You don't have to go anywhere at the moment. Can review it now with you. I'm gonna repeat tomorrow anyway. Um, I have two platforms that it's been for the last maybe 3 weeks doing some crazy things. And in this platform, fortunately today I didn't have much time to because I have to rush in the morning to do what I need to do. But in this platform over here, I've been actually working with, this is the 1 hour. It's very noisy, but in here I've been working with the colors and where the market is. So when I look at day like this one, I just look for long. I'm looking for short. I'm looking for long. Of course, the index meter has the direction of, so as soon as I see the market change over there, look for longs, put in 100 pips stop loss and run over there. Look the short, stop out over there. Look the long, and this one stop out somewhere over there. And unfortunately, the maximum trades got triggered over there. So that's another one. So here it was my first trigger. If I look the index meter on the second no, yeah, 2nd of August. I did have there. So this is interesting for me. Every time I see or come in London time and I see the market above below, so I put a trade and just see what happened the next day. Look over there, look the index meter, and because that's a nice recovery over there. I don't know if I can recover the 8th of August. Let me see there. 5, 6, 7. I know that's 2nd of August. Sorry, so 2nd of August. What I'm talking about. Let me see. That could be. No, I've been done it. Let's see if I can get over here. All right. So it must be last week, 2nd of August, week 31. I just want it there. So if I look this, no, this, no, sorry, this is the one there. And if I look 2nd of August, so Friday. So Friday we see this is the Euro Canadian. So Canadian was very weak on Friday and the Euro was on a neutral. So that for me, so the main thing I check that this changing over there, what this is telling me. And if that is okay, just put the trade and walk away. So that was my first trade, second trade, and look where it goes. So that's mainly. So from here, I've been enjoying this. I went short over there, long over here. That's the trade. That's good to stop out. Long back again over there. Just looking at the beginning of the day. What do you reckon, Helen? Is that quite a good idea? So my only decision here is just look the color trend, look the market over there. So if I look in today's market, um, this is today. Yeah, this is today. So today, this is the Euro Australia. And if I look the Australia, it was very strong at the beginning, and the Euro was very, sort of the Australia was more stronger. So I should be looking to go short according to this table over there. But right over here at the end of that day, I didn't see any shortage. So because the E8, I'm programming every single day, you know. So if for example I come over there in the euro, it would have done that this one here. Then you know if I would have this one over there and here, then I trade that short. But in here, no, you know. So and there it is. So it's not break even, goes okay. Swiss yen, as I say, is a nightmare. And this is simple in the 1 hour. So this one I already reached the trade that came from there. That's a nice, from the same day that the index made on the 23rd of July, told me over there. So look over here, trade the break, and that's it. It is. So that was another one. This is unexpected. So the only thing I reset the counting, looking for the short directions in here, and that's it. So sell both because it's already there, and check it up from there. So same with this one. We're looking to sell, sell both. Put over there. Pound yen, I don't think she's going really well anywhere at the moment, so I keep away. Euro yen, the same. Maybe it's gonna break, maybe it's no. So I can just come up over here and look for the sell breakout. Remember we did with the other one. So same idea, same everything. You know, just looking over there. It's this one as well. I can set up the sell breakout scenario and sell breakout. Put it over there. Come back over here, and that's it. So this one, as we're looking over there, so we already looked before. We got a very strong day from this to there, but tonight we have below over there. So this is another thing I look in the At the moment the market start moving above or below, so if I come at the 12 hours and I see the market over there, I go long over there. I go short over here. And I'm looking, depending, um, um, if it is not that much below to the line or what, but I put those trades over there. So this one's for me is a nice sell, and I want to put it just the breakout sell. So I don't want to get a midpoint because the color is not yet with me. Here I was looking to go buy and this move over there, so the market came back, stop me out, and that's fine. So the buy is in stop out. Now it looks to me that it's looking to go short. So I just come over there and looking to sell breakout. So I don't want any, the other ones. I just wanted to sell breakout. US Canadian got a sell over there, got a stop out. So today I need to get into on a buy mode, and I will do both from that. Put it over here and come back tomorrow. This one right from here, I have to look to maybe go to stop out over there, but this is definitely something that I don't want to miss. And as I said this morning, I have to rush sell both. Australian US, so that's another one from there. So right when I see the market above and below, set a trade and enjoying the rally. So that's a very nice 282 pips. And then I forgot to actually just reset the account, and that's it. Because if I look even here, nothing is telling me to look for, to go short, to go long, and that it is. So this one I'm looking to go long because the changing of the market over there, and that's it. So look at the color, look at the data as well over here. So give me the chances to say, yep, this is what I'm looking. So there we are, the 2nd of August. So let's look that one over there. The 2nd of August over here, and that's the Euro US. So the US is very weak and the Euro is sort of on a neutral side. And I have the changing of the color over there. That's all I look, all right? So, and then pull the trigger. And that's it. So if this day says buy, I buy, close me off. Here say sell, I sell, close me off. Here say buy, there we go. Here say sell, I'm sell. Here say buy, I'm buy, sell. And it just got just simple like that. What do you reckon, Helen? Is that quite good idea or no? You like that idea? Oh, my coffee is finished. Now, this kind of technique does not need any technical analysis. It's purely the index meter, the color candle change, the midpoint above, below, and the downtrend in the direction. And from there, we can decide what to do. Anyone, are you interested in that, Helen? Yes or no? Maybe you having dinner at the moment and you're talking. All right, so before I go, I want to show you another one over there. So, and this is the 4 hours now. I do exactly the same thing. So what I'm actually looking in the 4 hours time frame, I'm looking where the price is there. It's above or below. All right. And then set whether the market breaks or the market comes back to the midline. So when I look in at the beginning of the week, this is my sell. At the beginning, this is my buy. If I want to, I can put in as well the midpoint and just reduce my risk. When I start here at the beginning of that, that's my sell. Here, the market close, that's the buy, that's the sell, that's the buy. Here could be the buy. Here could be the sell. Or even through the middle of the week, if I come in this position over here, I say, uh-oh, the weekly is changing his direction, and I just got that trade from there. Now these trades are actually quite interesting. So the pound US at the moment, I'm not looking nothing. It looks to me that it wants to break up. Now when I'm looking what is happening with the pound today has a 40, so it has a big move. So that's for me is telling me I can risk it. We have a 19 as well into that, so I can put it today, the pound breakout, buy breakout, put it over there and come back tomorrow. So I know that I wouldn't need 100 pips stop loss, and that's it. Australia, US, look from where the market on the 4 hours, it was very bullish. It changed the color, is from about to below, no need to talk anymore, put a trade, and that's my first trade. And that's my second trade. It maybe got a stop out. That's my third trade now over there. So then the only thing I readjust my stop because this is quite good. This one, same thing. When the market changes the color, is from green to red. Try. When the market changes the color from red to green, try. Green to red. Red to green, green to red, green, red, green. Are you enjoying this, Helen? This is being unbelievable. So here it is again. It's about trade. It's about maybe got to stop out with that one there. That's okay. Look at it again. I am trying to work it out. So what do you try to work it out, Helen? Tell me. What I'm looking simple here, this is the 4 hours. This is 1 week, 1 week, 1 week. So for example, if I come to this week, I'm looking, oh, look this market over there, how silly is going over there, isn't it? But now when I'm looking let's see the day, for example, that's a day. Look that day where the market has closed. Now, if I come in, let's see at the around later that day, look where that was this. That was the 8 or that was the 12 hours there. So that's London time. So the whole market is being, it's been going up, 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 up. But that day we have a shift. The price that day at the London time has closed below to that midline. And if I look, this is the 8th of 2nd of August again. I'm looking the US Swiss. Look where the Swiss was. And look where the US was. So the idea of this is quite scary because as soon you see the color change over here, the price has shifting through the midline and the index meters with us. You see that it ends and the weekly it ends, down, and you're trading long, you're trading short, you're trading long, you're trading short, you're trading long and short, and it can go everywhere. These things. Look, for example, that one. So I got a stop out. Still looking to go short with the Donchin. And this one, Euro Yen, first trade. Can you see this one, Helen? So if I look that and I say there, maybe before the around 12 hours on the 8th, the 1st of August. So if I look in the 1st of August over here, which is this one over there, and this is the Euro Yen. So there they are. There they are. And in this one, I just don't use any criteria at all. And just take those trades, 200 pips here. The market now, because until this thing is not changing the color, nothing is telling me to look to go any other direction. I continue looking to go the direction that it says over here. Yeah, we just put the order in the brake or the pull back, Helen. That's all we do. All right, I'm just gonna finish the video, but we continue with that one there. So we see you tomorrow with the rest. Cheers.